How to turn off Gemini on your phone. This tutorial shows you how to disable it so it stops popping up. First, open Settings. Tap Apps. After that, tap Default Apps. From there, tap Digital Assistant app. At this point, select None to remove Gemini completely. In the next step, press and hold the power button to check if Gemini still appears there. Following this, if it still shows up, open the Google app. Tap your profile picture in the top right. Once done, tap Settings, then tap Google Assistant. From here, tap General and toggle off Gemini. At this stage, a pop-up will appear explaining what turning it off changes. Tap Turn Off to confirm. Keep in mind, disabling it from default apps is usually enough on its own, but checking the Google app settings too makes sure it's fully turned off. Finally, restart your phone to make sure all changes take effect. And that's it. If this guide helped you turn off Gemini on your phone, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the